Hi, John Hotchkis here. On today's Hotchkis Sports Suspension Inside Look, we're going to see some details of some products. Products that will make your muscle car or performance truck handle even better and drive incredibly well. Hey, next, it's time for more C10 speed secrets. We love C10s because they truly are Corvettes with a bed, and to really gain more traction, more stability, and more great drive off the corners, whether actually drag racing, launching on a road course, or just cruising your favorite road. Here's something also that we have. This is our C10 anti-squat mount. This is where the truck arm mounts, and it's multi-adjustable. Our anti-squat brackets bolt in. You can see all the supplied hardware, or you could weld them in once you decide exactly where you want them. But they have 4 adjustment holes for maximum anti-squat adjustment. And also you can see that the holes are biased, they're angled. So as you're moving the truck arm, you want to make sure that you have the correct length from the bracket, the suspension pickup point, to the differential. That's why they're not just straight up and down. With our C10 anti-squat kit, you get a lot of cool stuff. One being our special billet aluminum wedges. Now, when you've adjusted your truck arms, you can get your pinion angle just right with our wedges. You also get these massive U-bolts in the kit, and this of course ties the rear end to the wedges to the truck arms. But look at these things. Just like everything in our kit, I'm amazed that we include something this awesome. Our C10 anti-squat mount kit combined with our Swivel Max kit are just what you need for your even faster C10. We hope you've enjoyed another segment of Hotchkis Inside Look. If you have questions on any of these products, want more technical information, distributor information, whatever it is, please go to hotchkis.net or give us a call at 562-907-7757. Also, if you're on Instagram, check out our new Drive with Hotchkis hashtag. That's where so many of our customers gather to show their cool cars. Until then, I'm John Hotchkis, and thank you for watching.